Hi guys, I want to show you our new shooter J-hooks, available in both a 2-inch and a 3/4 inch configuration. Basically, we take our standard UL listed J-hook and we fasten it to a 7/8 inch premium point top hat ballistic point ceiling clip. You'll notice it's mounted with 1/4 hardware, so if you do have a blowout, you simply unbolt the hardware and reattach your J-hook without parting with the entire J-hook. The advantage of that ballistic point pin is it's going to improve your stick rate. It's a thicker shank. You'll have fewer blowouts in your standard pinch point pin that you may have been using. As I mentioned, 2-inch and 3/4 inch to fit in your Ramset, your Hiltis, your DeWalt, whatever powder actuated tools you prefer to use. You can see them online at constructionfastening.net.